Alright guys, Pants here with another unboxing of the stabilizer here. I have the DJI Osmo Mobile here. So I bought it from Amazon. It comes like this pack. This is a pretty nice box. And I have on the right side the Zhiyun Smooth 4, another stabilizer for your mobile phone. So different packaging. You see, this is the Amazon box, and in here it says made China, Zhiyun Smooth 4 in 2018 black. That's the black version I got. So this packaging is really nice. Let's go to DJI Osmo Mobile 2. You can see it's pretty simple interface here. The joystick, the record button, play button, and that's the box wrapping here. Right. Okay, let's open it up. The Zhiyun to see. Yeah. Let's open it up. This one. Check out of the box. Open it up. Okay. Well, the Zhiyun has better like motions in general. If you see all the reviews online, and also there's different modes. It's just the app is on the Android is not as great as the DJI, which I think they're gonna update later on. So if they make a better app, it will surely beat the DJI Osmo Mobile here. So inside the box we have here, okay, tutorial, comes like this. Oh, okay, so it has, I thought it would be the box here, but this is a nicer box inside. Just looks like the DJI Osmo. But so let's take all the box out here. So as you can see here, we have the Zhiyun Smooth 4 force focus, pull and zoom capability, phone go mode, born for mobile filmmakers. Yeah, so okay, so it's pretty much the same size. Let's see, on the back it has, okay, accessories included. There's tripod cables, and this is the model. It's also available in white version. This is a phone go mode, for instance. It shows you. So you can see it's a little bit taller here. You can see it's a little bit taller than the DJI, the box, but the thickness is, let's see the thickness. It's almost the same, but there's a gap here, and that's the back for the Zhiyun and DJI Osmo Mobile 2 here. So you can see, I'm gonna open the Zhiyun Smooth 4 and DJI Osmo Mobile later. So let's open this. Cool. This is a tight plastic wrap here, the seal around the box. Okay, this is pretty great, and let's open it up. So there's a sticker here where it says open. So I guess we're gonna like cut it here. Oh, can it open it? Okay, it can open like this. Okay, so once it's broken, that means you open it. Okay. Oops. Okay. So that's the box here. Pretty cool. Yes. And then inside is a styrofoam. I guess the color could be better here because it looks kind of dark gray. Yeah, I think it feels kind of cheap to me. It's like a styrofoam. You could have made like hard plastic or something that feels better. And so that's one thing I would suggest. This okay, that's a Smooth 4 start guide here. So it shows you the QR code for the Z Play app. So yeah, I recommend, like, they recommend to download the ZY Play app. Zhiyun. Okay, that's the downloading app. That's QR code for the app, I think, to recognize your device. Installation here for the tripod. Adjustment of your camera to clamp it here. So slide it. You can rotate it 90 degrees. Turn on and off by holding 2 seconds. Operation mode. So there's a lock mode and a pan follow mode here. And on the back there's a button where you press on the top, phone go mode, which is gonna quickly follow your movement, and full follow mode, which is following you, but there's a slight delay. A quick switch to standby mode. So hold the horizontal arm down manually to lock with fixing buckle to enter standby mode. Okay. Handle. Hold up the horizontal arm again to wake up the stabilizer. Manual reposition. Under pan, follow mode, locking mode. Connect ZY Play app. So QR code. Okay. Alright. So that's it. Okay, let's open the box. I think the box has some. Okay, can you just open like that? Okay. Wow, look at that. Looks like a suitcase where James Bond has it, like with all his weapons here. So we have the tripod. Okay. It feels plastic, right? As you can see around, like hard plastic. I think it's durable, and it even has like anti-slip plastic here around. Okay, so let's put it here for now, and then we have the cable. Okay, that's a USB-C cable to USB-A cable, right? So maybe doesn't have a charger for this, but you can use probably your iPhone or Android charger. And then that's the stabilizer. Ta-da! It's trying to stabilize itself right now. Look at this. Okay, so cool. So handling, my arms, my hand is not so big. I don't know to give you a dimension of this. This is probably, let's see, 2 of my thumbs. Wow. Wow, look at that. How it's pretty big, I think. Well, it's good for, like, I think it's like a tennis racket. If you overhaul a tennis racket, it's almost the same size as a tennis racket, where you can like just swing it, and then it just like, go everywhere. I kind of like this, where it just feels pretty professional. with me. That's the go mode, and then full follow mode. So it locks if you go around, collect. It locks right here. And what else? Let's see. So you just push this, it's gonna come out, and then you can put your phone horizontally. So this, I think this can spread it up here. You can like pull it to put your phone, and it has like a lock on the back here. Right, let's see. Oh, okay. The lock is to adjust the, okay, you can like turn it and then lock it again. Cool. So that's the unboxing of this, and there's a wheel here that you can turn, a menu, display, camera, record, zoom, or another mode, lock. Knob, no, the knob feels pretty good. Look at that, there's a plastic on it, as you can see. I wonder what is the arrow for. Oh, that's where you start from. Okay, double tap this, it's gonna reset. So I guess probably I need to charge this a little bit before I can try, or I can try right now and show you guys. Also, I haven't shown you, it comes with like this to clean your lens or something, your camera lens. So tissue, and then a user guide here. Balance the gimbal in power off status before use. We recommend you view the video tutorials, and there are lots of tutorials, okay, on YouTube, right? So content, get to know, installation, stabilizer, use of app, specification, disclaimer, warning, warranty terms, contact card, video tutorials, okay? So you got all you need here. Product introduction, packaging list, packing list, carrying case, okay, USB cable, that's what we got. So the roll axis thumb screw here, phone clamp, mobile charging port, zoom focus, handheld control panel, 1/4 inch threaded hole, mobile clamp, thumb screw, okay. That's the on the back of that, okay. So that's the view on the back. Tilt axis motor, roll axis motor, okay. Fixing buckle, pan axis motor, type C USB port here, trigger button, see more on page 5. Battery and charging instruction. So you can it has Li-ion batteries. During the first use Smooth 4, please fully charge it to activate batteries and guarantee appropriate use. Okay, so installation of tripod, pretty straightforward, just screw it on. Installation of phone, push and hold open the camera clamp. Slide the smartphone in as close as possible against the tilt axis motor, and CL map on, clamp map. You can also loosen the mobile clamp thumb screw, okay. So just slide it on, loosen it up, so you can tilt it, the screw on the back here. Please do not turn on the Smooth 4 before putting in the phone, okay, so make sure you do that. Balancing, if the smartphone fails to stay in level and keeps tilting when mounted, loosen the roll Y axis thumb screw to adjust gravity center by sliding the horizontal arm as marked red in the figure until the smartphone stays still and vertical on the tilt axis. Tighten the thumb screw after the smartphone is well balanced in level to ensure normal operations. Proper adjustment of gravity center ensures better power saving during operation. Yeah, so it doesn't have to work as much For the motor, the stabilizer may still function well when gravity center is not properly configured. However, it may lead to more power consumption on the motor and can greatly affect the torque output. Okay, so if you want to go through this, use of stabilizer, introduction of control panel. Okay, so if you guys are interested here, you can pause the video and take a look at it and read it. I'm gonna go through real quick. If you lost your manual or something, you can come back to this video and then just follow it in case you forgot it or you just bought it from someone and then don't have the user manual or something. Quick switch to standby. Okay, I'm gonna standby. So while stabilizer powered on, put the horizontal arm down by hand. The horizontal arm is automatically locked with fixing buckle, and the stabilizer enters standby mode before turning on or waking up stabilizer. Manually separate stabilizer from the fixing buckle, moving horizontal arm to horizontal position to wake up stabilizer. Okay, so this is a reference for your reference, guys. If you lost your user guide here, downloading app, I'm gonna go quick on this. So it shows you everything to stabilize here in case you're curious. 6-site calibration, motor fine tuning, firmware upgrade step. Okay, basic specification, it has a max standard 7.4 volt here. Okay, so it's just going through for you guys, for you to read it if you want. Okay, and we're almost there. Notice. Okay, warranty period 15 days. Customers are entitled to replace or free repair service in case of quality defects found in product within 15 days upon receipt of product to free repair. Okay, of Zhiyun proving defecting material or workmanship that results in product failure during normal consumer usage within the valid warranty period, which is 12 months counting from date of selling. Okay, 12 months, so that's a year warranty. Warranty term, just fill it out. Contact card here. Video tutorials. It's all on YouTube here. Okay. Cool. And we're done. Alright, guys. See you in the next video. So this came with a box here, and I think this sums up how you go about setting up your Zhiyun Smooth 4 is. So watch the video tutorial, which is first thing, please balance the gimbal before use. If it is balanced, even the motor stops suddenly, it will not drop. How to balance? Loosen the roll Y-axis thumb screw, which is on the back, to adjust the gravity center by sliding the horizontal arm. When phone stays in level in power off status, it is balanced. If you can balance the gimbal with the charging cable, purchased separately. Okay, connected. A universal counterweight is required. Search the serial here on Amazon. If you need further help, please send a message. Okay.